Austin actually went to the store to get this working. Man, I suck at. I thought I was good at Zelda, but
Back in the day.
This is pretty legendary that this actually works. I mean, I grew up on this game. All right, so quick recap. Last night, me and Austin helped take some pictures, and he posted on Craigslist. Austin went ahead and went to a store and got some poster board. White poster board, although it's probably cheaper, you don't want to go with white poster board. A couple reasons. One, in the early morning sun, white is actually just a reflective board. It will, clear, but once the sun hits it, it's just like unbelievably bright and hard to read the lettering. So you can always go with neon signs, and you want something that's completely eye-catching. So neon signs are definitely the go-to. It can be orange, pink, green, just make sure it's neon. And another mistake that some people make is they get all different colors of neon. You really want to stick to one color, because think of it as your branding. You want every sign that's going and pointing to your garage sale to be the same sign. So if I'm going and I turn left at a green sign and then I see a pink sign, I think I might have gone to a different garage sale or took a wrong turn. And that's happened to me before. So if the signage is big, neon, all the same color, you're in good luck. The next thing we need to do is figure out where we are on the street and pretty much figure out where the arrows should be pointing. Now, you want to put these signs at as many places as you can that will make sense, but mostly at your major street areas that turn into your block.
Should we do 7-Eleven only? What if we need to throw this again in a couple weeks?
True. So that's a good point. So just put your address then to make the signs reusable. Don't put a date if you plan on using these signs more than once. How's the ad looking?
Cool,
So
let's
just
take
take
a
a
look. I
look
don't know
at
if you're
this
able to
finish
see it on here, but just made a little, use the diagram that I made for my flyer, put it into the main photo on the ad, added all the photos we took yesterday, which we just staged some photos as you saw from our last shoot, and listed as many items as I possibly could on here. So what we want to do is pique somebody who's looking and searching for good items, is going to be looking for a very long list that has a lot of items to select from. So I listed all my high ticket items at the top, so basically 1 through 10, and then listed as much as I could from what I have after that.
We're going to be using these for staging our products because we want the folding tables to look nice as possible. Really, the goal is just to make everything look as nice as possible, most presentable. Almost open for business. A little dusty. It's 2:30 on Friday, a brisk 110 degrees, and we are going to start setting up the tables, and we're going to stage them up with all of the stuff that we have priced now, and we're going to put our tablecloths on the tables and make it look all nice. But let's get to work because it's too damn hot. Yeah, we're gonna be sitting here. This is like a little U shape, and we're gonna let people shop, but when they come around here, they're gonna see the $2, bobblehead or something like that. That's where they could pick up the little stuff, but we want them to see the big stuff first. The reason why we're setting all of this stuff up in the driveway the day before is a couple of reasons. Number one, we want to see the current layout of all of the stuff and how we would potentially have it positioned for the sale. Number two, we want to price all the things that we haven't gotten around to pricing. And number three, when we put away the stuff back into the garage at night, we can just pull everything into the garage in order. That way, all of the stuff is where it needs to be, and then we can just pull item by item out come garage sale time. And it didn't shatter everywhere, perfect.
So we have all the glasses priced already. individually. Just doing $1 a glass, $1 a cup. Set of plates we're selling here too. So we're doing sets of these, $5 for the blue plates, doing 10 and 15 for the yellow ones. Humidifier, I'm just gonna put this up for $10, see if people buy it. Start on 10 for this one, and then we're gonna do a bigger mirror, we're gonna put as 20 or 15.
The mop down.
Yeah. Leashes here, double leash, higher quality. We put it for $10. This one's gonna be for $5. Little trick Danny showed me is just ride it on the roll, and you can take it and wrap it around the leash to keep it tight. You can do this thing for cords probably too, and other items that you need to wrap together.
Cool. And for items that are like this, for example, that do something, you want them to be in that do position, I guess you could say. So instead of having this like this, looking like a random light, you want to present it like this. The more you can present it in the most attractive way, the better chance of selling. I mean, when you're pricing things too, you always have to ask yourself, would I buy this for this amount of money? I mean, a gross hamper for $10, probably not, but if I was in desperate need, maybe 5.
Life is a beach.
Life is $10.
The flash of the knives brings
Gets them
attention.
every time.
Gets them every time. $5, no, $3. $3.
Luck is opportunity plus preparation. $5? What do you think?
$5, I agree with that. It's kind of cool though, it's got the metallic.
Yeah, I like
look on
that.
it. Honestly,
$3.99.
I got 2 signs here. One is broken. It's $3.99, man. I have spoken. Scratched up, that just means it's loved, right?
We'll make this baby $65 because for some reason with pricing ideology, I don't know what to call it, but they always say it's a price with odd numbers.
Really?
I don't know why, but I'm just following sacred rules. Oh, so we just finished pricing everything, which is great. Now we are on the very final steps before having our garage sale very early tomorrow morning. We're gonna put all this stuff back into the garage, and they just completed the signage on the boxes, and tomorrow early morning we're gonna put those out and have our garage sale. So
Can't wait for you guys to see it.
see you tomorrow morning.
Stay tuned for part 4, the moment you've been waiting for. Garage sale day. Do you have garage sale tips? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more flip adventures.